Yo, what up? Peace and blessing to the fam. This your big homie Jared with the Retro Insider, back again with another video. As always, shout out and thank you to all you new and returning viewers. This is your boy. Been a couple weeks since I put a video out, a long form video. Back again though with another Nike banger retro classic, Nike Air Tech Challenge 2 OG size 12 white tart stone blue. Now this is one I've been waiting on for the past couple months since they said it was going to come out. As the box says, this is the OG colorway of the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2, which was made famous by Andre Agassi. But this colorway itself was also worn by John McEnroe. So this is just a quintessential 80s shoe and designed for tennis, but kind of has that cross trainer feel to it, and just a great silhouette in my opinion. You know, the Racer Pinks came out earlier this year with this improved shape, and you know, pretty much sat around. This is a acquired taste shoe, probably more for the OGs, and I'm fine, man. So I don't know about you. If you want to wait for this shoe to go on sale, you should be able to get it on sale. Now the official release date until June 27th, and I see right now the retail is $150. So you should be able to get this well below retail if you're patient. But if you aren't patient, this is one, hey, you can go out and spend $150 and be happy with if it's your cup of tea. So as far as my pair, I got it from a European retailer called Tres Bien or something like that, from Switzerland, I think. And I was able to get this shoe basically in a week. So quick shipping, but they do have some available right now online at www.corporategotem.com. Full size run, as you can see right there at the time of this recording. So if you can't wait and you just want this in hand, you can go ahead and get them ahead of their wider scale release, which like I said is June 27th. Now one element or aspect of this shoe that I really appreciate is this kind of age look. I know a lot of people say they're tired of it, but I'm not. I just like the way this looks. This midsole is very, very pale, so it's not as aggressive as say something like the Soul 2.0s that we just seen on the Jordan 3 that came out a couple weeks ago. This is very light, kind of what we're used to from something like the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1, or even the other colorway of this shoe, where it just wasn't too aggressive, just gives you enough contrast. And to me, I guess you can call it age, but to me it's just a different color contrast. Doesn't necessarily make this shoe look old. It's just another design element, you know, that helps elevate the look, in my opinion. So as far as the leather, but majority of the leather is in this white leather that's kind of, you know, not too bad, not too good, just kind of right there in between. And this blue leather here, in this muted blue, it's kind of got that, like Skip Go Hard says, that senior citizen skin leather where you see the wrinkles and such. So that's what we're doing right here. Speckled midsole down here at the bottom, that's giving a nice little design touch that's made famous on this shoe right here. It's not the midsole, but the upper is speckled here. So yeah, man, this is a shoe that I really, really like. Glad to have it in hand. Now for me, true to size works well for me in this particular shoe. Ample room in the toe box, so I'm not really tripping about the sizing. You should be able to get whatever size you need in this shoe. So tongue has this blue and orange accent. Now this isn't true to the OG. For what I've seen, the originals had more of a gradient style tongue up here, patch, but it's all good. Can't complain. Back here you see that orange behind the tongue, and this is like a textile tongue, very soft and plush. I don't know if you can tell that, but it's very soft and plush, and great shoe in my opinion. Let me know if this is something you're going after, and if so, are you eager to get it at retail, or are you really waiting to see how far down they can go as far as the price point? Anyways, appreciate you guys for checking out the content. I know it's been a couple weeks since I've dropped a long form, but just had to show you guys this shoe because I know if you like me, you're anticipating some of these drops this summer, and this is the perfect summer shoe. Great retro style, originally released in 1989. So here we are 35-ish years later, and it's still taking the footwear world by storm in some degree. So Until next time, guys, y'all know what it is. Stay humble and proceed.